Hello to the good people of YouTube. I was at Target today and I came across Beardbrand's beard oil, the lumberyard, and I decided to pick it up and try it out and give a review on it. And here it goes. I can already smell it right off the bat. It does smell like a kind of had a woody smell to it. Put it on this somewhat non-beard that I have, and it smells exactly how it says on the box, like you've just been cutting wood all day. It smells like sawdust. I don't know if you like that smell. I kind of like that smell, but people looking at me crazy in this parking lot. I really don't care, but not bad. I mean, and let's see what ingredients are here. Grapeseed oil, kernel oil, let's see, grapefruit seed extract, a couple other oils, apricot oil. It just says apply 3 to 4 drops, to your face daily. Be honest, I would actually probably go through more than that. I actually probably do more. It just depends, because your beard's it just depends if you're in the elements a lot, but it's not bad. I mean, $15 for this little one fluid ounce. I mean, I bought the Sunny Owl and it was $15 and I got 4 ounces. So, I mean, I think you're really paying for the name, but it's not a bad beard oil. It's actually pretty good, but for the common working person, and they don't want to waste their money, I would recommend it, but it's the price tag is a little steep for me. But I mean, I would go ahead. I would recommend it. I mean, it's not a bad beard oil. I mean, I just wonder how long this is gonna last me. It just probably lasts me right now at the stage of where my beard's at right now. Probably lasts me a good couple of months because I don't have that much hair on my face yet. So, but I would recommend it. It's a pretty good beard oil. The scent, I don't know if most people want to smell like, sawdust all day, but I mean, I like the scent. I mean, it's pretty good, but there's other scents they have. I mean, you could probably go on Amazon and look for the other scents or go on their direct site, but I'm afraid to go on their direct site because the beard oil might actually be more than what it is at Target. So, but I recommend Beardbrand. It's pretty good. I'll probably do some more reviews on their other scents as I get them, but right now I give Beardbrand's not bad. I recommend it. It's pretty good. And if you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. God bless.